A simple disagreement, something as small as a difference of opinion, a parking spot, a coveted piece of asphalt in a crowded lot, can become a battleground. A loud word spoken in haste or frustration can cut deeper than intended. A misunderstood comment, a phrase taken the wrong way, leading to hurt feelings and assumptions, can quickly spiral out of control, transforming into something far more significant and potentially dangerous. These everyday sparks, seemingly insignificant in themselves, can ignite something dangerous if left unchecked, leading to outcomes no one desires. But what if you could slow things down before they explode? What if you had the tools to defuse the situation before it reaches a boiling point? Preventing a fight isn't about being the strongest. It's not about physical dominance or intimidation. It's about being the smartest. It's about understanding human behavior and employing strategies that promote calm and understanding. With practice, you can spot warning signs, the subtle cues that indicate rising tension, and steer situations toward calm, guiding individuals away from the precipice of conflict. This guide will show you how to read subtle clues, those almost imperceptible shifts in body language and facial expression. Use the right words, choosing your language carefully to de-escalate rather than inflame, and project peaceful body language, conveying a sense of calm and non-aggression through your physical presence. Think of it as verbal judo, using the momentum of the conflict against itself, redirecting conflict energy toward resolution, not escalation, transforming a potential confrontation into a constructive dialogue. The goal isn't to win an argument to prove yourself right at the expense of others, but to ensure everyone walks away safely, both physically and emotionally. Managing your own reactions is often the most powerful tool you have. Your ability to remain calm and composed can be contagious. Mastering de-escalation starts with awareness, a keen understanding of yourself and the dynamics of conflict, and a commitment to safety and respect, prioritizing the well-being of everyone involved. By the end, you'll have a toolkit of strategies, a collection of techniques and approaches, and even apps to help you practice and stay safe, reinforcing your skills and providing support in challenging situations. These are life skills for work, improving team dynamics, and fostering a more positive environment. Home, strengthening family relationships, and creating a more harmonious atmosphere, and everywhere in between, enhancing your ability to navigate challenging social situations with grace and confidence. The power to prevent conflict is within your reach. It's a skill you can develop and refine, making a positive impact on your life and the lives of those around you. Like a storm gathering on the horizon, conflict rarely erupts without warning. It often gives off subtle and sometimes not so subtle warning signs before it truly hits. These signs are crucial to recognize. Watch closely for clenched fists, a telltale sign of building tension and suppressed anger. Notice tense muscles, particularly in the neck and shoulders. This is where stress often manifests physically. A bladed stance, positioning the body sideways, as if preparing for confrontation. These are all physical cues of rising aggression that shouldn't be ignored. Pay attention to these signals, not just in others, but also in yourself. Pacing restlessly, invading personal space deliberately, is another sign that boundaries are being tested and crossed. Puffing up the chest or shoulders, attempting to appear larger and more intimidating, are definite red flags. Facial tension, a furrowed brow, or a clenched jaw, rapid breathing, all indicate a heightened state of arousal and potential escalation. A hard, unwavering stare signals emotional escalation and a challenge. Listen carefully for a rising voice, a clear indicator that emotions are intensifying. Be wary of absolute words like always or never, which often signal an unwillingness to compromise. And finally, a loss of rational tone, replaced by emotional outbursts, is a critical warning. These signs aren't meant to scare you or make you paranoid. They're your early alert system, designed to give you a heads up. Spotting them early gives you precious time to act, to de-escalate, or to remove yourself from the situation. Increase your awareness of your surroundings and the people in them. Prepare to de-escalate the situation if possible, using calm and non-threatening body language, and steer things back to safety, either by calming the situation or removing yourself from it. Recognizing these tremors, these subtle shifts in behavior, empowers you to choose a different, safer response. The earlier you notice these warning signs, the more options you have available to you. Stay alert not only to body language, but also to the tone of voice and the specific words being used. Your awareness, your ability to recognize these early warning signs, is your first and most crucial line of defense. Every conflict has a trigger: disrespect, feeling trapped, unfairness, a threat. Disrespect, even in small ways, can provoke a strong reaction. Feeling cornered, physically or verbally, can make someone desperate and unpredictable. A sense of injustice, broken trust, often ignites anger, threats to someone's safety, to someone's reputation, to someone's beliefs, trigger fight or flight instincts. Recognize these triggers in yourself and others. Give people space. Offer fair treatment. Avoid cornering language. Navigating around these sparks is key to preventing escalation. De-escalation starts with self-awareness. Notice your own stress signals: a racing heart, tight jaw, shallow breath. These are your body's early warnings. When you feel tension rising, pause and take a deep breath. Apps like Calm Pulse or Bioharmonize can alert you to spikes in stress, prompting you to reset. Calm Pulse Bioharmonize. Use these moments to slow your breathing and relax your muscles. Staying calm helps you and calms others around you. Your presence can anchor a tense situation. Self-regulation is the foundation of de-escalation. You can't calm a storm if you're caught in it yourself. Tune in, breathe, and choose your response. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to react impulsively. But remember, the right words, carefully chosen and thoughtfully delivered, can be incredibly powerful. They can diffuse even the tensest moments, turning potential explosions into opportunities for understanding and resolution. It's about finding that calm center within yourself, even when everything around you feels chaotic. Start with active listening, truly hearing what the other person is saying, not just waiting for your turn to speak. Show you understand, even if you disagree. Acknowledge their perspective, validate their feelings, and let them know you're making a genuine effort to see things from their point of view. Use phrases like, "So you're frustrated because you feel unheard?" This simple question can open the door to a more productive dialogue. Deflect personal attacks by focusing on the emotion, not the insult. Address the underlying feeling that's fueling the outburst. "I can see you're upset. Let's solve this together." This approach shifts the focus from blame to resolution, fostering a sense of collaboration. Set boundaries with I statements. Clearly and respectfully communicate your needs and limits. "I find it hard to talk when voices are raised. Can we speak calmly?" This invites cooperation, not confrontation, creating a safer space for dialogue. This invites cooperation, not confrontation. It signals your willingness to find common ground and work towards a mutually agreeable solution. In today's world, technology can help, offering support and guidance when you need it most. Verbal First Aid, a tool designed to provide immediate assistance in challenging conversations. Peace Talk AI, an innovative application that leverages artificial intelligence to help you navigate difficult discussions. These apps suggest calming phrases in real time, offering a lifeline when you're struggling to find the right words. If you're accused, try to resist the urge to defend yourself immediately. Instead, acknowledge their feelings with empathy. "It sounds like trust is important to you. Seek clarification and understanding. Help me understand what upsets you." These tools act as a digital coach when your mind goes blank, providing a framework for constructive communication. The goal is to redirect, not escalate. It's about de-escalating tension and creating an environment where productive dialogue can occur. Words are your most powerful tool. Use them wisely. Choose them carefully, speak with intention, and always strive for understanding. Practice makes these skills second nature. The more you practice, the more natural and comfortable you'll become in using these techniques. Verbal Judo turns conflict into conversation, transforming potential battles into opportunities for connection and growth. Space matters as much as words. Keep at least 2 arms lengths between you and the other person. Respecting personal space signals peaceful intent, gives you time to react. Always know your exits. Never let yourself be trapped. Position yourself so you can leave if needed. Safety apps like SafePath Guardian Circle share your location discreetly, call for help. If someone advances, step back, hands up, palms out. Let's take a breath. This pause can break the momentum of conflict. Creating space is a clear, nonverbal signal for peace. Your body language can de-escalate before words are even spoken. Choose space over confrontation. Your body speaks volumes. Make sure it says calm. Stand tall but relaxed with open hands visible. Avoid rigid or confrontational stances. Use pauses. Silence can slow things down and show you're listening. Maintain soft, intermittent eye contact, engaged but not challenging. These cues lower tension and invite cooperation. Practice with apps like Body Language Coach Mirror Me AI for real-time feedback. They'll help you spot tension in your posture or face and teach you to project calm. Nonverbal skills are as important as what you say. Calm body language can diffuse a situation before it escalates. Make peaceful signals your default. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Let your presence speak peace. After a conflict, take time to recover and reflect. Let your body calm down. Breathe, walk, reset, review what happened, what triggered the conflict, what worked, what could you do differently. Use journaling apps or incident logs like Conflict Log to track patterns and progress. Each experience is a lesson for next time. Practice de-escalation daily, not just in crisis. Use active listening, I statements, boundaries in all relationships. Make calm your default mode. Over time, you'll prevent more conflicts before they start. De-escalation becomes who you are, not just what you do. The right tools make mastering de-escalation easier. The right tools make mastering de-escalation easier. The right tools make mastering de-escalation easier. Books like Verbal Judo, Nonviolent Communication offer deep insights. Workshops and courses provide hands-on practice. Apps like Peace Talk AI coach you in real time, suggesting calming language and training scenarios. Guardian Circle lets you alert trusted contacts and call for help discreetly. Calm Pulse monitors your stress and guides you through calming exercises. Build your toolkit, knowledge, skills, and technology. With these resources, you can face conflict with confidence and peace. Stay prepared, stay calm, and make peace your habit. Thanks for viewing. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Additionally, select the post notification bell to ensure that you are informed about upcoming video releases.